Hello, Teacher Tina here, and I don't know about you, but there is nothing in the whole wide world that I love more than wasting money. Okay, so nobody likes wasting money. We all like to get a good deal, right? I got this shirt yesterday from Goodwill for $3. Yes, $3. So I love a good deal too, and now I'm even more excited because as a VIPKid teacher, I can get teacher discounts. Even without working in a brick and mortar classroom, I can get teacher discounts. And it's even easier than ever because now I am a card-bearing member of the 6 Apple Club. So today I'm telling you examples of what kinds of discounts you can get with this card, how you can apply for the card, and some tips for using it. Okay, so what discounts you can get, how to get it, how to use it. Let's get started. So the first item on today's agenda is to talk about what kinds of discounts you can expect to get as a member of the 6 Apple Club. And let me just clarify before I go any further, as a VIPKid teacher, you are already in the 6 Apple Club. You don't have to wait for your card to arrive. But once you get your card, you have a little more street credibility and you can use your card when you're out and about. So first things first, I'm going to talk about 5 discounts that you can already start enjoying before you even have your card. Okay, and be sure that you check out these discounts for yourself. I'm going to link below the support page for these discounts, all about the 6 Apple Club. So you can go, click that link, find the discounts I'm talking about, and then any more that are added. I just want to mention that VIPKid works really hard to get us these discounts, so I hope that you really enjoy using them. Okay, so the first 5 discounts that you can already start enjoying. The first one is Urban Sitter. So Urban Sitter is basically a child care company. So they help you to find reputable babysitters in your local area, and VIPKid teachers are getting a 25% discount, which is huge when it comes to child care. Okay, so Urban Sitter. The second one is called ClassPass Live. Those are interactive online fitness classes with top New York City-based instructors. So these are classes you can take from the comfort of your home. And be sure to check out what exactly the discount is when you go to check out online. The third discount is called ThinkEDU, and I was so impressed when I checked out this website yesterday. Basically, ThinkEDU offers products like programs, like tech programs and tech equipment for VIPKid teachers. So they have their own VIPKid page that features items such as Photoshop and laptops and webcams, tablets. The possibilities are endless, but if you're in the market for any type of program or tech equipment, you don't have to wait until Black Friday to go to Best Buy and get stampeded. Instead, just go to the ThinkEDU website. The next one is LingoBus. So LingoBus is really exciting for any VIPKid teacher who has kids because basically what LingoBus is it's the opposite of what we do as VIPKid teachers. So LingoBus is VIPKid's sister company. So basically it is one-to-one interactive live lessons, you know, like how we do, but in Mandarin. So if you have kids, you can enjoy a 10% discount for your kids to take LingoBus classes and learn Mandarin. So cool. Okay, so that was the fourth one. And the fifth discount I'm mentioning today is ManyCam. So a lot of teachers are excited about this one. Many teachers already use ManyCam, but basically what it is a software program that you can download on your computer and you can create all kinds of visual effects for while you're teaching. So you could have your reward system pop up on the screen and have it moving around. You could change your background using a green screen. It's a very cool tool, and it used to be $70 for a year-long subscription. Now with our 6 Apple Club discount, it's $25. So that's amazing. Okay, so those are 5 that you can already start enjoying right now. What are some other retailers that offer discounts to VIPKid teachers? So you'll definitely want to check when you're in the store or talking to customer service online, but you may be able to enjoy a discount at these technology and electronics retailers: Apple, Microsoft, Bose, and Adobe. And be sure that you also check with your cell phone carrier because they may give you a discount as well. The next category is classroom supplies. So I have 6 examples for you. The first is Joann Fabric, which has a 15% discount for teachers online or in store. The second is the Container Store, which will help you get organized in your classroom. The third is FedEx, which I had no clue that this was even a thing, but they have a program for educators that if you're printing something like a banner, let's say that you want a banner for your backdrop in VIPKid, you could enjoy a 15% discount on it, okay? The next one is Michael's, which is very competitive with AC Moore, so that's 4 and 5, that they will often have a 15% teacher's discount, which is amazing. I, in fact, used my 6 Apple Club card at both of those retailers yesterday, and they both honored it, and I bought this really cute flower pot at Michael's that I'm going to use in my classes. I like to reward kids with flowers. So anyway, those are 4. The last one, the last example of a classroom supply retailer is Barnes & Noble. So they have a program called Barnes & Noble Educators, which you can get a 20% off discount for items that you purchase for your classroom. So that's incredible, and there are so many more retailers too. The next category is clothing, which I think we can all be excited about. So I'm going to name 5 retailers that all give a 15% discount when teachers present their IDs in the store. Okay, so these retailers are Ann Taylor Loft, Banana Republic, Christopher & Banks, J. Crew, and New York & Company. And as a side note, I was so excited to get a teacher discount at New York & Company because, first of all, they have good deals anyway to start with, but I get a discount on my favorite yoga pants that I wear every single class. So it really feels like it's a true teacher discount if I'm wearing it every single class. Anyway, another discount that you can enjoy is from Dr. Scholl's. So if you're a standing teacher like me, you can enjoy a 20% off discount online at Dr. Scholl's. And remember, when you are traveling, you may be eligible for more discounts. So I encourage you, after you finish watching this video, to go to the Hutong discussion. Lots of teachers, I've linked it below, that's why I pointed down. I've linked it in the description below. Lots of teachers have shared ideas of places where they've already gotten a teacher discount as a VIPKid teacher. So these are places like museums, restaurants, car rental agencies, hotels, you name it. Be sure to check out the discussion and add if you have found somewhere that you're able to use your discount as well. Are you excited yet? Yes. Okay. So we have already tackled item 1 on our agenda, which was talking about what kinds of discounts we could expect as VIPKid teachers in the 6 Apple Club. Let's address item 2. How do we get the 6 Apple Club card? Okay, it's very, very easy. All you need to do is follow the link in the description below for the support page. Once you're there, you'll click a link and you'll be prompted to provide information for your card. So all you'll need to provide is information like your city and state or city and province, wherever you live, a photo for your ID, and then your mailing address and your payment information. The cards are $10, which simply covers the cost to print it. I mean, this is sturdy. It covers the cost to print it and to ship it straight to your door. Usually it takes about 2 weeks or so from the time that you order it until the time that you get it. Yeah, so I think it is definitely worth every penny. I just got mine recently and I have already well gone beyond saving $10. So it was totally worth it in my mind. Now that you know some discounts that you can get as a VIPKid teacher, and now that you know how to get your 6 Apple Club card, let's address item 3 on our agenda, which is, how do I use my 6 Apple Club card? It's very easy. Ready? Use it like a teacher badge. That's basically all that it is, okay? So any place that requires that you show a badge to get a discount, use your card. And it doesn't have to be a place that has a sign that says teacher discounts present badge, okay? Lots of places will offer you a discount if you just ask. In fact, this is how thrifty I am. I was in Goodwill yesterday buying this shirt and a bunch of other shirts because I realized that it's getting cold out and I have nothing to wear. Anyway, I ended up at the cash register, right, for Goodwill, and I asked the man if they had a discount for teachers. I had my 6 Apple Club card out, and he looked at it like, oh, that's cool. And he said, well, we don't have a teacher discount, but we have a fall discount, and he hadn't been giving the people in front of me this discount. But he scanned this thing for me and gave me 20% off. So it never hurts to ask. Even if they don't have a 20% discount or a 30, whatever, even if they don't have a specific teacher discount, they still might do something nice for you. Because everyone loves teachers, right? We all got where we are now because of some awesome teachers. So I hope that you really enjoy using your card, and I did promise you a special bonus, so drum roll please. So not only is this a teacher badge, but it's also an amazing conversation starter. So let's say that you are checking out at a store and you present your badge, okay, your 6 Apple Club card. Not only is it beautiful and colorful, but you can easily start talking about VIPKid. It is a really wonderful and easy segue for you. So you can easily just start talking with the cashier or with the person next to you in the line about how much you love teaching your students. And who knows, maybe the $10 that you spent getting the card will turn into a referral and somebody will get an amazing job because you were brave enough to talk about VIPKid. Psst, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any new videos. Now, if you'll excuse me, oh, I've got some money to save. Bye!